History may look back at 2026 as the beginning of Pax Americana. The catalyst for this shift is a single shipping lane. For decades, global dominance rested on the petrodollar cycle, purchasing energy in dollars, compelling nations to reinvest in US Treasuries. This system is now cracking under a $9.4 trillion shadow banking crisis. As investors demand liquidity the market cannot return. When you add zero net job creation in the private sector to this debt loan, the system loses its ability to absorb external shocks. If a shipping closure spikes energy prices, the resulting jump in interest rates would force the shadow banking system to liquidate assets it no longer possesses, turning a localized disruption into a systemic financial failure. The geography of this failure centers on the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow passage bordering Iran. 20% of the world's daily oil supply moves through this specific corridor. Iran's strategy relies on asymmetric warfare, using cheap drones to threaten expensive tankers. They do not need a military victory. They only need to close the strait long enough to inflict economic pain the West cannot sustain. A single, distant geographic choke point now dictates the stability of the entire U.S. financial architecture. The conflict in the strait provides cover for a larger structural shift. China, Russia, and Iran are actively building an alternative energy market designed to bypass the US dollar entirely. In this new formula, nations sell their dollars for gold, trade that gold to China for yuan, and then use that yuan to buy Iranian or Russian oil. This chart shows Swiss gold exports to the Gulf states. Notice the sharp spike starting in 2022. That is the same year the U.S. froze Russia's dollar reserves, prompting the Gulf nations to move their wealth into physical gold to evade the Western financial system. The global oil market is 9 times larger than the gold market. If even a small portion of energy trade shifts to gold, the demand will create a historic supply shock to the metals price. This physical hoarding of gold by foreign powers represents a deliberate move to dismantle the dollar's status as a global reserve. An oil supply shock immediately threatens Europe and the UK. To pay for essential food and energy, these nations are forced to liquidate their foreign reserves. The primary asset they dump is US Treasury bonds. As these bonds flood the market, yields spike. This forces government borrowing costs to levels the current US deficit cannot sustain. This creates an impossible trap for the Federal Reserve. They must either lower interest rates to protect jobs, which supercharges inflation, or keep rates high to fight inflation, which triggers a deep recession. The U.S. is running out of strategic options to defend its economic position without devaluing the holdings of its own citizens. This chart shows a dangerous disconnect. The S&P 500 is climbing on AI speculation, completely ignoring the bond crisis and the fact that private sector job openings are plummeting. In the best-case scenario, a peace agreement is reached quickly. Markets stabilize, but the transition to a multipolar, gold-backed system continues to accelerate anyway. If the strait stays closed for more than a month, the bond market cracks. This would trigger a credit crisis similar to 2008, causing massive asset devaluation across the West. The final outcome is the big print. The Fed must inject massive amounts of money into the system to prevent a bond collapse. Printing money during an energy shortage causes stagflation. The cost of living rises for everyone, even as the economy itself shrinks. Navigating this shift requires immediate defensive strategies. This means eliminating high-interest debt, moving investment portfolios into cash or short-term treasuries to maintain liquidity. In the long term, we may see a rotation away from paper stocks toward physical commodities. This includes holding gold, Bitcoin, and physical supplies to hedge against systemic instability. While this geopolitical shockwave is unpredictable, the era of unchallenged American financial authority has reached its limit. Personal preparation is your only remaining safety net.